Hello and welcome to WeeklyHow. My name is Bernard and I'm a programmer slash a student just like you. Now you're probably thinking to yourself right now that you are not a programmer, but I can totally say this that you have made your first step. You are here, which means you're interested to learn how to code, which means you're interested to learn how to solve problems. Unless you're already a programmer and you're just here to check me out, which is I'm flattered. No, I'm not going to sugarcoat this, but learning how to code is extremely hard and frustrating, and it takes a lot of time. I started writing codes when I was 12, and that was years ago. So as you can see, it took me a decade and 3 years to learn how to code. But it doesn't mean that you can't learn how to code faster than me. And that's what I want you to achieve. I want to help you to be able to create, to design, and to solve problems through my courses or YouTube videos. WeeklyHow started in 2018, and in that year, all I do is just write random stuff or random blog posts about watermelons, lifestyle or health, news about celebrities, and of course programming. And then in 2019, I turned WeeklyHow into a website where I can showcase my abilities, my programming skills. And I used it to get clients, to get a job. And that's also when I started working on our YouTube channel, WeeklyHow, and post tutorials about Shopify app development. And then fast forward to 2020 and 2021, I turned WeeklyHow into an e-learning platform, a platform where I can publish my courses about programming, about Shopify development, Shopify app development, Shopify theme development. So if you're looking for courses that teaches you how to code or how to create web applications or Shopify apps or Shopify themes, then you've come to the right place. So you think you're ready to take your second step? If so, hit the subscribe button, or if you're watching this in the About Us page, then feel free to look around.